Hello my party people, welcome back to my vlogs. Today we are going out. It's just like a random day in Dubai, but I thought that I will vlog it today and show you guys around with me. We're gonna right now go for my nails. They look horrible. These are the ones that we did in St. Petersburg, and now it's time to change. So we're gonna do that, and then I don't know what we're gonna do, but I will take you along with me. Let's go. This is what I'm wearing today. It's my new top. Cool, right? Hi. Hi. You're so covered. Yeah.
I know, I'm covered. Like I feel like
anything. You're looking pretty still inside that.
how do I feel? I feel like this FBI.
What? FBI. Undercover.
Yeah.
Guys, this is undercover agent Maria, my friend.
Wait, I have to show my
Yeah,
eyes.
show
Hi
the
guys.
What is-
No, my face is not nice.
Oh, come on.
I'm without makeup. But
We
in
will
Dubai,
see.
people are not using makeup.
No? But you,
They are
you don't.
using, but on this heat, you cannot.
Yeah, you cannot. But you already look so pretty.
Oh, thank you.
You do.
The next station is Mashraq.
Okay, so we got down from the station and now we're gonna walk for I think for like 10 minutes and we will find like the nail place. We need to get it done. I love your nails. Show.
My nails,
Yeah, I don't know why you're changing it, see?
because they're grown, you see?
Yeah. Mine are horrible. It is so fucking hot and we've been walking for 10 minutes and like I'm dehydrated.
I get a ton.
Yeah, we are tan,
Anyways.
nicely tan. I'm sweaty. Oh girl, I feel disgusting. It's here?
Yeah.
Yes! Oh, we still have 5 minutes? Oh, that's okay. Alright, let's go. Silly. What did you get? No, that's one. So we are removing my gel polish, which we did in like St. Petersburg, and we're gonna get it done here. I still don't know what I want on my nails, but first this has to go off. We're getting our gel removed, and Mar is
One here, I think you will like it.
picking. Yeah, I like it. It's lavender, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love those shades. Yeah, so mostly I think I'm gonna get like a pastel color for sure. I think one color on all the nails. So I am done with my nails. It's like so pretty. I love it. And Mar is still getting hers done. It's taking a lot of time because Madam had like acrylic nails, so it's gonna take like more time to remove them and everything. So I'm gonna wait for her, and after that we might go to a clinic. She has to like get herself checked a little bit. So we're gonna do that.
Hey, follow me, subscribe on YouTube, guys.
Yes. I'm gonna put her
Link in bio.
I will put her link in the bio. You can go ahead and follow her. She makes vlogs as well, super entertaining, so you can go and check her channel out as well. Okay, I'm out to get like something to eat because Mar is hungry and even I am a little bit. So they have like a supermarket here, so I might get like something. Look guys, what I found. I don't know if you know this, but this is like a childhood treat, and I don't know how I found it here, but I'm so excited. Remember? I'm gonna do it. Wait. Guys, she's hungry. You have to feed a friend. It's like, this is the princess life, girl. Like, you're getting your nails done, you're being fed. Okay, cool. We are done. We're gonna quickly go to the clinic. It's already like 2:20 and her appointment is like at 2:30. we're gonna finish that quickly and then we'll see what to do.
Yeah, so guys, I'm done. My nails are done.
We're gonna talk just like this today.
Like today, we're talking like
this because we got new nails. Like leave. Wow. I think this is the place. It's so hot. Like next level. See you in a while. Maria is getting her medicines. We were at the clinic for about 2 hours from 2:30 to 4:30. We were at the clinic. There was like a lot of waiting and everything, but now we're gonna head home. We ordered some food already because we are fucking starving. Did you get everything? Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's go.
Finally, we finished everything what we had, and now I'm getting her on. I'm getting her lunch.
Yeah.
And we are going in our apartment, actually mine apartment, enjoying in our day. And thank you, Zach, for spending the day with me. Oops. Ouch.
What happened?
Nothing.
Oh, your ears. Okay. No. Okay, so Maria went to her place, but I went to my place to get like my charger, my battery. Oh, Maria. Hello. I got my new pair of heels, my Pleasers. I'm so excited. We'll go at your apartment and unbox them. I did. So food.
Yeah, that's my food.
Food is here. My heels are here. What a great day. Unboxing food and Pleasers. Girl,
What did you order?
this.
No, not that. No way. This is so cool. Wow.
Damn it. I want to wear them, and I want you also to wear.
Yeah, I will try it later.
Yeah.
First.
Okay, first we'll eat, but damn it. Look
But
at
there
this.
is no.
Perfect. So we're gonna have our food now. We have not eaten since, I don't know, since like 11 o'clock, and it's 5 right now.
From yesterday.
Don't tell me.
But you didn't.
No, you did not have breakfast. No, I had my breakfast. But yeah, super hungry. We're gonna eat and then we will talk. Yeah. So I'm gonna wear one and Maria is gonna wear one. And yeah, let's see. She has never worn like pole heels. Yeah! Oh my god, they look amazing!
Yeah.
Wear one. Come on. Let's go. Right. Let's do it.
I never danced before in my life.
Dance
Pole.
pole. Otherwise, she's a dancer.
I'm a dancer, but I never danced pole.
Dancers unite, bitches. That's not the right.
I feel like Lady Gaga.
You know, Lady Gaga and Nicki Minaj use the same brand heels.
Really?
It's the same brand. Yeah. Open it and then make it.
I know.
Going around. Oh, she's smart. Oh, whatever. Ollie football. Damn, they look so nice. So like, can you see? Oh fuck! It's such a big difference, guys. It is 8 inches. Look, I'm so tall. We can still dance, see? Guys, so I met this beautiful lady today, Tansu. She's Mars' friend, and you're from?
Turkey and Switzerland.
Turkey and Switzerland. How cool! I really want to go to Turkey someday.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we were just sitting and chilling and talking and gossiping, a lot of gossiping. But it's almost 8 o'clock right now, and we're thinking to go to JBR and get a few things from Sephora because I need to get a few things, and even I think you need to get some things. Hair stuff. Even I want hair stuff because my hair in Dubai has been acting like pathetic. So we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna take you guys around in JBR. We are like 5 minutes away from JBR, so it's pretty nice. We can, 5:10. We can walk and go. So we're gonna walk and go. So let's go. Gossip. But it's so dark, nobody can see us.
You can.
Hi. Yeah, you can.
We'll show our names, girl.
No. Jalebi, baby.
Jalebi, baby.
No. Oh,
Is it closed?
please use the main end.
Oh, okay. Like all this walk for nothing?
No. Keep breathing.
Guys, so we are done with shopping.
Done with shopping.
What did you get? Oh, the cleanser.
No, you didn't.
What did you get? The cleanser?
I got haul, Sephora haul. I got the cleanser, which is a waterproof, for waterproof mascara, and then I got a normal mascara
Oh, which mascara did you
from Benefit.
get? How much was it for?
I don't know. I don't know the price.
No? I got a mascara, hair products, which I have no clue how they will be and how they will
a
act.
lot of cosmetics.
I have no idea what I got. But yeah, I might show you like once I go home. Now we're gonna go get some milkshake and yeah, just chill. It's so
And
dark.
Yeah.
It's so dark, nobody can see. Now we are at a place called Oxygen Drink and we're gonna drink something because it's so hot. But yeah, like let's see. I'm getting like iced latte. And what did you get?
A milkshake with coconut.
Milkshake with coconut. Yeah, but it is so fucking hot. It's like 9 o'clock and like I'm dripping in sweat. It feels like 2 o'clock in the afternoon or something. And this place is again like super dead. Like there is so less people. Okay, well there.
What you ordered?
Yeah.
What is that?
Horrible.
What? Come on, you don't need this. To be honest, I'm telling you.
Okay, let's see.
This is much better now. You will see.
Are you taking picture or?
No, I'm just waiting for you to stay because you're moving and your face looks all the time different on the pictures because you're moving. Stop. Look there. Take this closer to you. Look there. There. That's it.
Mar, you're so mean. I'm filming you. So guys, we are having our coffee and what is it? Some milkshake.
Yeah.
And we're gonna just sit again and gossip more. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. It was a lovely day with Mar, and it was lovely
Tansu.
meeting you, Tansu. And you will definitely see these guys around in my vlogs more. But thank you so much for watching. If you have watched till here, thank you so much, and see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.